$1,000 on each lot. We made money last week on the Japanese central bank interest rate hike. The Japanese central bank raised the interest rate, and there was a 1,000 pips move in just a few hours there, a couple hours. Literally, this week will also be the interest rate decision on which way to go. I'll tell you in a minute. Well as show my reversal points directly on the chart of the terminal MetaTrader 5. As well as tell you where it is better to trade with my trading robot. So, here we go. Look, this is the dollar Canadian dollar currency pair. And now I'm going to show you the reversal points. But before I show you where to buy and sell, I have to show you the economic calendar. That is, it is necessary to watch the economic calendar before trading and find out what news will be released so that you do not lose money. Look, on Wednesday, January 29th, there will be news about the interest rate decision of the Central Bank of Canada. And the previous value was 3.25 and the forecast is 3.0. This means that if the interest rate is cut, it is highly likely that the Canadian dollar could fall. And if you sell the dollar Canadian dollar pair, what do you lose money? Why? Let me show you on the chart right now. See, the dollar Canadian dollar pair is the pair that is most often used to trade the Canadian dollar. But the thing is that the Canadian dollar is in second place in this pair. The dollar stands in first place and the Canadian dollar stands in second place. This means that if you expect the Canadian dollar to decline, you should not sell, but buy the dollar Canadian dollar pair. This mistake is made by most beginners. In order not to make this mistake and not to lose money, you should be attentive and look in which place in the pair this or that currency is traded. That is, if we expect a decline in the Canadian dollar, then we need to buy the pair dollar Canadian dollar. It's better to buy, and at the moment when the price is, for example, in the support zone, the fundamental analysis will say that the price will grow. Technical analysis will also say that the price will rise. This doubles your chances of making a profit. Let's take a closer look at this chart. This cheery yellow triangle here is a technical analysis triangle pattern, and it has a support line, if not resistance. So when the price reaches these lines, we make a buy or sell decision. Let's take a look at the M15 time frame. Here we can see that the price is now between these two lines, and as soon as the price comes to the support line, there will be a reversal point. From it we can buy and make money on the growth. And accordingly, if at the time of the news about the interest rate decision, the price will be near this support line, this doubles our chances of making a profit. Well, if the price will be at the moment of news release near the resistance line, then attention, it is better not to open trades at all, because the technical analysis will say that the price will fall, while the fundamental news will say that the price will rise. And accordingly, it will be the opposite data, and it is better not to trade here. That is, sometimes it is better not to trade and save money. And saved money, as wise traders say, is money earned. To not miss this news about the Canadian dollar and make money on it, be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. I alert everyone 30 minutes before the news comes out and we make money on it together. Last week, as I said, the Japanese yen made a very good profit on it. So this week I expect to make money on the Canadian dollar. Don't miss it. By the way, if you want to get selected signals on reversal points, which I trade on myself, then be sure to subscribe to my VIP channel. During the week, I give about 10-20 signals there, on which we make money together. These are selected signals with reversal points, indicating where I think the price will go, on which we make money together with subscribers. So look, people are connecting. Connect too. Make money with us. The link in the description will be to my Telegram, YouTube channel, and so on. Let's look at other currency pairs that you can also make money with the Canadian dollar this week. And here's the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. It has two support and resistance lines. So once the price reaches the resistance line, here we sell and make money on the downside. Once the price reaches the support line, from here we buy and make money on the rise. In order not to miss, for example, a signal at the support line because the price may not reach it today or tomorrow, you can put an alert here. You see such a dotted arrow. It is not difficult to set it. Right click in the context menu and select alert in the trading section, and this alert will notify you either with a sound signal or to your email or to your phone as you wish. How to customize this alert more finely? I have a video on my channel. You should watch it and subscribe to my channel. The link in the description. There are a lot of videos on the topic of trading. Now let's look at the currency pair New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar. As we can see, there is a mirror support line. I also have a separate video about the mirror strategy on my channel. Be sure to watch it. And now we can see that the price, as soon as it approaches the support line, this is the mirror support line, this is the quote 0.81.622. There will be a reversal point here. You can buy and capitalize on the upside. The Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen also have a support line. This is a classic support line, but the price is already moving down. And once it reaches here, there will be a reversal point. It will be possible to buy and capitalize on the upside. Let's take a look at the euro dollar. The euro dollar is also in an uptrend right now, but there is a mirror support line here as well. Look is above this line. Once the price goes down, you can buy here too and capitalize on the upside. And let's take a look at gold. Gold is near an all-time high. It's at 27.91 per troy ounce. It just missed it by a little bit. It bounced back down, and it's likely to do that more than once. Why? Because such strong levels are always accompanied by such strong fluctuations, strong volatility. Therefore, I expect that the price will reach this level and rebound once again. Short term. So it can also sell here and make money on the decline. Yes, I almost forgot to say a few words about my trading robot on the dollar-Canadian dollar pair. Now the sideways trend continues. If we look at the D1 or better H4 chart, we can see that there is actually a good sideways trend going on right now. In a sideways trend, my trading robot works best in buy-sell mode at the same time. So try it, run it, see how well it works. If you haven't tried it yet, email me at the link in the description. I will tell you how to get my robot for free. If you are a client of Markets or not yet, you can open an account at the link in the description. I am a partner of Markets and my robot will be free for you. If you deposit $100 or more, you can use it already. These are the signals for this week. If it was useful, be sure to put a like, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to write in the comments whether you trade the Canadian dollar. I am. There will be a lot of reversal points on the Canadian dollar this week. Subscribe to the Telegram channel so you don't miss the news about the interest rate hike, or rather the Canadian dollar interest rate cut by the Central Bank of Canada. And I will be glad to see you on my channel. I wish everyone a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Bye everybody.